Hi, my name is Jared Milner, and I will be presenting Module 5, Law and Commerce Contracts. The tort law is a civil wrong which can be redressed by awarding damages. Thousands of retired professional football players allege that defendants failed to take reasonable actions in protecting players from the risk associated with concussive and subconcussive head injuries. The former NFL players say the NFL was negligent and misled the players of the dangers of concussions. The NFL denies this. Neurologists say Doris Levens, former Packers linebacker, is showing early signs of Alzheimer's. Former NFL players urge the Third Circuit to nix a Pennsylvania federal judge's preliminary approval of a $765 million concussion injury settlement, saying the deal contains conflict that would leave many members of the proposed class without relief. The Third Circuit denied a petition by objectors who sought for a reversal of the district court's conditional class action certification. The court declined to use its discretionary power to hear the case and concluded that it did not have jurisdiction under the Rule 23. Prerequisites of the Rule 23 are: one or more members of the class may sue or be sued as representative parties on behalf of all members, only if the class is so numerous that joiners of all members is impracticable. There are questions of law or fact common to the class. The claims or defenses of the representative parties are typically of the claims or defenses of the class, and the representative parties will fairly and adequately protect the interests of the class. For an example, San Francisco 49ers linebacker Chris Bolin retired because of concerns about long-term effects of repetitive head trauma. At 24 years young, Bolin says, I honestly want to do what's best for my health. From what I've researched and what I've experienced, I don't think it's worth the risk. My opinion on the matter in the case, even though the players should go to the NFL knowing the risk, the NFL should take control of this matter and long-term injuries and fix them fast. Although there's a penalty for head-to-head contact, there needs to be a more serious penalty for those who provoke it. This subject matter will not be settled until something is fixed for the players, and if not, then the lawsuits will keep coming in for many years to come. Now we'll be discussing contract litigation jurisdiction, including federal. Contract litigation: the pursuit in court of legal remedies when contracts are being broken or otherwise become subject to dispute. People will shuffle every effort to avoid going to court through negotiation and other avenues because lawsuits are expensive, and experienced contract litigators are more likely to be successful when subjects involving contracts go to court. Contract law is a very complex legal contract, and firms specializing in contracts and offering litigation services can be discovered in many urban areas. Jurisdiction: the official power to make legal decisions and judgments. There are three of them: exclusive federal jurisdiction, concurrent jurisdiction, and exclusive state jurisdiction. Exclusive federal jurisdiction includes immorality, antitrust, bankruptcy, copyright, federal crimes, patents, suits against the U.S., and other specific federal statutes. Concurrent jurisdiction includes federal questions and diversity of citizenship cases. Exclusive state jurisdiction includes matters not subject to federal jurisdiction. In this slide, it shows the three branches of U.S. government and all the categories of them and what is involved with each one. The United States federal government seeks to act in the best interests of its citizens through this system of checks and balances. And that's my presentation. Thank you.